walk us through what you did to Tyron Woodley.
Jab down. He tries to catch the punch in front. And like a lumberjack, timber.
Is this the greatest moment of your life, Jake?
It's got to be the greatest moment of my life. Look at what I just did. Look at the year I just had. Unprecedented. One of the most valuable boxers in this sport. 4 fights, 4 massive pay-per-views in 13 months. I've knocked out every single person that I've fought. Every single person that I've fought. Hey, and Masvidal and Nate Diaz, y'all are some bitches for leaving this arena. Because I know you don't want that shit. I'll take out both of y'all next. Just get out of your contract with Daddy Dana, and I'm gonna fuck them up too.
Who do you want next, Jake, and when do you want to fight again?
Anyone, anytime, any place. Anyone, anytime, any place.
Sean, did you ever fight 2-minute rounds?
Yeah, I did actually, and as an amateur, and some of the best boxing that I did was in 2 minutes.
I don't know. We'll see what happens.
Nate, what do you think about? Nate, what do you think about Terrence Crawford and? What do you think about Terrence Crawford and Earl Spence, man? They weren't able to get it together.
I wish that fight went. That's the best fight I can think of.
Who do you think wins that fight? Who? Like,
where's Chris?
if it does get done ever, do you lean one way or the other?
No. I'm not gonna speak on that. I think they're both great. It's gonna be a good fight when it does happen.
That's crazy.
I thought it was gonna happen though, but I don't know what happened.
How's being a free agent, man? How's that feel?
Feels good. I haven't even done anything. It just feels good to be. It feels good to do whatever.
Just to kind of be free of all of it, right?
Yeah, I'm good with that.
Has Chris been sparring bigger guys to kind of account for the size of the doctor here?
Yeah, we always spar bigger people anyway, because you run out of sparring partners, so you spar everybody.
Spar you? Because you got kind of some size.
Been sparring more rounds with him than anybody since 10 years, 15 years ago, so I'm easy for him. He knows me. We get him with somebody else big, he usually works him over, so it's good.
Jake, are you looking at Jake Paul this weekend and kind of, I don't know, maybe rooting for him in a sense, because maybe, you know, like a fight between you and Jake can generate a lot of money?
Yeah, whatever. I'm just thinking that at the moment right now, and then we'll see what happens day by day, month by month.
Last one for me, man. Well, what do you recall about when you sparred Andre Ward?
Let's go there. It's one of the better experiences in my martial arts career. Higher level than anybody in the game still today. So I took that. I keep it forever.
That's awesome, bro. Thank you for your time, bro. Appreciate you. Thank you.
4 rounds cruiserweight bout that kicks off.